All right, so if you're having any troubles understanding what the notation here is telling you to do, let's just talk about this for just a second. Notice they give you the first term is 28. So if I were to start writing out this sequence, the first number I would write is 28. Now, that's term 1. I can find term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, and so on by using this formula. Now, what this says is to find any term in the sequence, you're going to look at the term that came right before it. Because look, pick a number for k. So let's say I pick k is 2. Okay, so what happens when k is 2? This formula then becomes a sub k, 2 plus 1 equals a sub 2 minus 4. So really what it's saying is to find the third term, you take the second term and subtract 4. Now I don't know the second term, so I'm going to go ahead and do when k is 1, because we still need to figure that out. So when k is 1, I would have, excuse me, a sub k, which is 1, plus 1, equals a sub 1 minus 4. So that's saying to find the second term, take the first term and subtract 4. Well, the first term we were given is 28. So I subtract 4, and I'm going to get 24. Let me move this below so that we can actually write these in the right places here. So then term 1 is 28. Term 2 would be 24. Term 3, we can go up here, and now we know term 2 is 24. We can say 24 minus 4, which would be 20. So now we know that term 3 is 20. And hopefully from there you can sort of, start to see the pattern, and you won't have to use the formula each time. But when this is what this notation all means. I know some of you may have been having a hard time understanding that. When you're using this formula, start with 1, because then that'll help you find the term after 1. Then put in 2, because that'll help you find the term after 2, and so on.